Hello dear students, today we are going to make a simple but very interesting project. We are going to make one piano by using our buzzer and Arduino in Tinkercad. Okay, so let's start. What are the required components? Required components are Arduino Uno, buzzer, 10 km ohm resistors, breadboard, okay, and some connecting wires. Let's start. We will start with Arduino first. So just type here Arduino. Take your Arduino Uno, okay, then type, search just breadboard, BREAD, breadboard. Take a breadboard, you can take small or a regular breadboard, no issue. Then we want some tactile switches. Here is the push button or tactile switches, and technically we can say the tactile switches. So take 8 tactile switches for 8 tones, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 tactiles we have to take. Push button, take 7 and 8. Okay. Now take resistor, give it to the 4th pin of tactile switch or push switch. Give here 10 km ohm resistance. You have to take 10k resistors and just click on this resistor and say Ctrl C Ctrl V and attach to each and every push switch. Ctrl C Ctrl V. Okay. So I am attaching from keyboard to keyboard. You can type Ctrl C or Ctrl V. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Just drag every time and just change the value from here. Okay. Now this resistor will attach to the pin 4. So this negative, always remember, negative will go to the ground pin of Arduino. So I am attaching here to the ground. Now we have to give 5 volt supply as a 5 volt to the 5 volt line of breadboard. So here I am giving, attach here, and this 5 volt supply we have to attach to the pin 3 of switch. So always just attach here to the pin number 3, connect to the pin number 3 of push switch. Like this you can connect. Okay, see how I am attaching. Okay, attach. Now what to do? We have to take one buzzer first. So just scroll down, just search buzzer, piezo buzzer. Take here. Okay, you can see negative always, what I said, what I told before, negative always attached to the ground. Here we have another ground attaching here, and this positive we will attach to the pin number 13 of Arduino. So I am attaching here to pin number 13 of Arduino. Okay, then we will attach pin number 2 to the first pin number 2 of push switch. Like this we will attach each and every push switches to the different pins, means pin number 2, 3, then third pin to pin number, or you can start with pin number 1 also, no issue. I have started from pin number 4 to, okay, you can start from pin number 1 also. Just we have to put one blocks here, one connecting wires you have to attach to each and every switch. Okay. Number 9. Okay, then go to code, select here text, don't select block and text, just select text, remove this code. This is the code for this piano. I have mentioned this code in description of this video. You can download from description or you can do copy paste. Okay, what we done, initialize button 1 to pin number 2. Button 1 we have attached to pin number 2, button 2 we have attached to pin number 3, like that. Button 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, button 8 we have attached to pin number 2 to 9. Then in wide setup we have attached a buzzer to pin number 13. Okay, in wide setup pin mode means we are defining whether that pin is input or output. Button 1 is output, button 2 is input, button 3 means all buttons are input only. Okay, then in pin mode buzzer is output. Which device is output device? all switches or push buttons are input devices and our output is buzzer. Okay, only we have one output device, buzzer. So in while loop we have to initialize that digital read button will pin to the B1, button to the BT, and if B1 is pressed, means if button is 1 is pressed, that sound will make with the frequency of 300 Hertz and for time 100 millisecond. If button 2 is pressed, sound will be a frequency 400 Hertz for 100 millisecond. If button 3 press, then 500 Hertz sound will come for 100 millisecond. If don't press pair, then 600 Hertz frequency, then for 5 button 5 700, like just we are incremented by 100 Hertz in each switch. Okay, now if you see, just click on start simulation. Okay, click on start simulation and see here you can listen. The code is lengthy but very simple. You have to just copy paste. Suppose I have written this initialize button 1 2, just I have to copy paste and I have to change the number only. Okay, same here in while loop and while setup also. We have, suppose I want to type this, just type up to this. Okay, and 8 times you copy and paste. What will change? Only this B1 will be B2, B1 will become B2, this one will become 2, and 300 will become 400. Just we have to increment B1, B2, B3 like that, 300, 400, 500 like that. We have to copy paste and we have to change that. Okay. See, again I am saving simulation. You can see and you can listen the music. If press button 1 is pressed, see then listen the music. Then button 2, then button 3, button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8. Understood? This is very interesting one. You can give your own frequencies here. No need to take is 300 as it is. You can start from 400, 500, 600, and you can explain means you have to try. You have to try, you have to think, you have to try, you have to observe the result. You have to observe the sound changes in frequency of sound. Okay, thank you.